Hi friends, today we are looking at topic 13, lesson 2. We're going to find unknown measurements using reasoning. So today you're going to be given a word problem or maybe a scenario, and I suggest using a part-whole chart if that helps you, but you're going to have to use what you know with regards to addition and subtraction. Definitely keep those keywords in your mind and solve the problem either using addition, subtraction, maybe both if it's a two-step problem. The best advice I can give you for today is use your reasoning skills. So be good readers and good comprehension monitors and really understand what's going on in the problem. Draw yourself a picture. Use a strategy that'll help you figure out what operations you're going to use so that you can get the right answer. So, Michelle jumped 24 inches. Tim jumped 7 fewer inches than Michelle. How far did Tim jump? So that is our problem for today. I'm going to circle my numbers, underline my question, box my keywords. Tim jumped fewer. Okay, and how far did Tim jump? That's what I'm trying to figure out. So I know that Michelle jumped 24. So let's say here's the starting line. Okay, I'm going to draw my picture in red. So let's say here's my starting line, and Michelle jumped 24 inches. But then Tim jumped 7 fewer inches. So that means that Tim jumped less. So I'm using my comprehension skills and I'm using my reasoning skills to say, okay, Tim jumped less. So that means that his little jumpy line needs to be less. Okay? And I'm going to put question mark for him because I'm not really sure how much he jumped. But I know that it's 7 fewer. So I know that she jumped 7 more inches than he jumped. I just don't know how many he jumped. But I know Tim jumped 7 fewer. So to get to 24, you need to do something plus 7. So I can set this problem up in 2 ways. I can set it up kind of looking like my picture. My picture almost looks like a part-whole chart. My whole is 24. How much Tim jumped is a mystery, but then there's 7 inches to get to the full 24. So I can set it up like this mystery number that Tim jumped plus 7 will give me 24. So I can do the counting up to subtract, or I can do my whole minus the one part I know, the 7 fewer, will give me this mystery number. Now it's up to you on how you solve it. I think I'm going to count back to subtract because it might be a little bit easier. So I'm going to start with my 24. And after doing higher numbers in the thousands, this might be a little bit easier. So 24. Let's do minus 4 to get me down to a friendly, minus 4 to get me down to a friendly 10. Okay, now I need to do 7, so I need to do minus 3 more. 20 minus 3 is 17. So Tim jumped 7 fewer, so 24 minus a total of 7 gives me 17. Oh goodness, this pencil doesn't like me today. 17 inches. And notice how I circled my final answer. So your problems might not look exactly like this today. They might be harder, they might be easier to dissect, but your best bet is to use your reasoning skills and your comprehension skills to figure out what's going on.